Hello everybody, today I will be telling you how to make a Skeletor vehicle. So first you'll need this, only one of these, 4 of those, 2 of these, 2 of this, engine part, this part, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so you're going to want to first place that there. Then you're going to want to place that and that there. Place this in the back. Trust me, it'll work. Place these 2 right there. Now we put that right there. Then put that on that. We made the bumper. Now we just gotta that. Put these 2 together. Place them in there, like this, facing this direction. Make sure. Then we place this. Actually, you could place it there if you want, but I don't choose to. So then, get a minifigure. Anything works. You make them sit. And then you place them right in. And there you go. You've just made a... Get in there. Get. Okay. It may fall apart sometimes. You just gotta put it back together. It's a really easy fix. Might want to lift this part up a bit. And there you go. You got a Skeletor car. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.